Yes, digital product family, hope you guys are well. Guys, the most or one of the most unsaturated terms when searching on Etsy is bundles. Whole store bundles, mega store bundles. Bundles are one of the most unsaturated terms on Etsy, and if you're not doing bundles, you're missing a trick, one big trick. So, guys, bundle up because if you don't, you're missing out on cash on the table. Guys, before I get going with this fantastic video, this important video, then as usual, if you love digital products, you love researching, you love creating, you love all of that mad stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget to share, guys, because we don't mind a bit of sharing on here. Do you know what I'm saying? Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this. So guys, check it out. Bundles. Oh my god, if you're not doing this, guys, I don't know what you're doing. You must bundle. You might be saying, yeah, but I haven't got enough images to bundle it up anyway. Check it. Look at this. Look at my screen. Look, more than 8,000 images. Mega bundle of, what's that, 4 million? That's crackers if that's true. 6,000. Ultimate bundle, 50,000. Mock-up bundle, mega bundle. Mega 660 bundle, what's that, 660,000, 60,000 ultimate. Look, there's bundles for every type of digital product out there. So I just want to get a little bit more specific now because this is getting ridiculous. I'm just going to go to, first of all, I'm going to go and check out a few because I've got a few gems to give you guys, a few nuggets, a few diamonds in the rough, guys. So I'm going to type in clip art bundles, right? And I just want you to kind of really understand the concept and how it works. It's not just a case of let's bundle up. No, it's not really that. It's about how you bundle because there's specific ways of bundling as well. So these are really nice. And what you find is from looking through and analyzing, people actually are drawn to these bundles because look, everyone wants a good deal, right? Everybody is quite normal. Everybody wants a good deal. So let me just go to my analytics. I'm going to go to product analytics now that I've specified what I'm looking at. Now, I'm going to look at a few things because, but just stay with me, right? Just stay with me. Now, I want to go to this listing, and I've looked at this probably before. It's a 1-month-old listing, so it's very recent, and it shows you how quickly one can make money with bundles. Because I do like to look at 1, 2, 3-month-old listings because it's a good sign if something can very quickly sell, right? Obviously, there's many factors to it as well. There's like the store, how old it is, reviews. It's not just as simple as that, but still, it's a good indicator, right? Now, this is a store with a monthly revenue of 4,825. I've looked at this one before. It's a good one. It's a good store, and it's an interesting one to look at, right? But let me just explain something. I want to explain a few bits. You guys have to do your bundles, and that's a must. It doesn't matter if you got 10 listings, 20 listings. I mean, obviously you're not going to say entire store, and it's not going to look that good, but it's still a bundle, right? You can do a bundle of 10, right? Bundle of 20. Now check this out. This store has a bundle of this is 9,000 images. It's an entire store bundle. And I tell you one thing that's really important, and it really does help sell it, is having something that says lifetime access. Lifetime access just is exactly what it sounds. The customer would get a lifetime access to any images that you do produce. Now you might think, what am I doing? I can't just give this away. Like, I can't just give away everything that I'm producing in the future. But guys, listen to me. Listen, this actually goes a long way. And you got to think about the amount of customers that do come onto Etsy. You will benefit, and your rewards will be way more than your kind of hang-ups on giving away lifetime access. I'm telling you now, it will be way more lucrative, monetary. You will get way more because when you get your bundle up on the first page and everyone's buying it, I mean, let's just analyze this. These are 9,000 images, and in the look at the analysis. In the title, they've typed in whole store, right? And it's in bold. And the thing is, they've got whole store, they've got lifetime access, they've got entire shop bundle, which is another keyword. These are all keywords, guys, and I'll explain those keywords, how important they are. Now let me just show you something, right? I'm going to go to the tags that this seller's using. Now, part of the keywords that they're using, the tags, is entire shop bundle, which we looked at, and there's another one which is, where is it, whole shop bundle, right? These have an absolutely ridiculous keyword score, right, of 290 and 540 respectively. They are massive, and the search volumes are decent, but the competition is very, very low. Bundles are something that people search for now, and it's not saturated at all in terms of those terms. So you have to do a bundle so that you're able to include these terms. So my advice is, even in your title, you need to make sure, especially these two kind of terms, whole store, entire shop bundle, these need to be there. Now, obviously, you can't have a whole store, you can't say it unless you have it, right? So you obviously have to create it. And let me just show you this. Let me explain this even further, right? Now this seller obviously sells bundles, right? Smaller bundles, right? So you can see these smaller bundles here. For example, in this case, you've got, cottage house, leaves, brown hair, gnomes, library, heart family. They're Thanksgiving food. They're all like, if you like, smaller bundles. Look, 78 images. Look at this one, 19 images, but it's a bundle, right, of 19. 21 library images, 96, and so forth, right? There's different sizes actually. Cottage houses, 65 images. And what's really nice, and this is something that I definitely recommend because it works. And when I go to the store, let me just go to the store, right? And the reason why I show this one is because this seller is very new as well. I think it was about 4 months old seller, something like that. I need to double check, but it's not that old. 172 listings, and part of the listings are selling these smaller bundles, right? So what they have got is they do this, a whole entire store bundle, right? The 9,000 images, all of those. You got mega bundles, like 4,400 images as a mega bundle, and obviously the niche would be the autumn. And then this one is a Halloween. Now, the thing is also what they're doing, which is also very good, is they're touching on things that are trending, things that people are searching for right now. Because obviously right now, this time of year, people are looking at autumn, Halloween images, Thanksgiving, and so on. So obviously you got to do something that there's a demand for. But underneath, within these mega bundles, guys, they have a collection of smaller bundles, right? So for example, look. How it works is, and this works very well in terms of your setup for your store. Having firstly, now look, you got to check this out. There's 172 listings on 172 listings, right? 172 listings. Now with 172 listings only, right? Only, the store is making a lot of money, and it's a new store, like I said. So, like I said, we're using this as a sort of case, if you like, an example case of how quickly, possibly, potentially, you could make also money. Obviously, if you get all the elements right. And what I mean by elements is creating images for demand. Now, the store age is approximately, I'll just tell you right now, I think it's 3 or 4 months. Yep, 3 months old. Okay, 3 months old. Now, those smaller images, those smaller ones of 32, bundles of 32, 55, 81, 45, they are making money. So, $56, $20, $147, and so on. Those smaller ones are making money, right? Now, you can only make bundles after you've created images. So this is why I keep saying, keep creating, keep making images. This whole store bundle, as we looked at, is making 4,825. The next bundle of 105 images making 484. These mega bundles of 2,600 and 4,000 and 2,600 is making 449. This other mega bundle of mermaids is making 228. And what I'm trying to say is, you don't just look at one listing, you look at all the listings collectively. There may be listings that might not make any money, because that's very possible. And I've said it before, be very open to the fact that you might have listings that might not make anything, and that's possible. However, to give yourself the best chance possible of actually doing and making money, is you got to pick on those things that people are looking for and making sure that people are searching for. So like the bundle thing, so it might be an autumn bundle, Halloween bundle, whole store bundle, which is massive. So if we're looking at numbers like 4,825 plus 484 plus 449, 228. And what I like is, and this is only like a 3-month-old listing, 200, 182, 162, 147, 147. What's this? Like, it's going up to like almost $6,000-7,000. Still going, still making money. Might go up to about $8,000. And what I'm saying is, when you group all these listings together, it's very possible that this store could be making up to $10,000 for. Look, he's still getting money from these smaller ones. Look, 68 images of pumpkins, 68 images of pumpkins making $71. And this is what I'm trying to say, because some people say like, you're only getting peanuts from, look, the price of these are $4. Look, these are only $4. Well, yeah, but when you get lots of $4 with lots of sales from different ones, it does add up. The bundles obviously are gonna cost a little bit more. The mega bundles, they will do, because they're a lot more. But guys, lots of listings, even with smaller numbers, do add up, right? Look at this one. The whole store is priced at $107, right? This 105 spooky is only $4, but yeah, it's got 245 sales, right? It's got 122 monthly sales. That's 484. Guys, they add up. They all add up. But the more listings you do, the more chance you got. Look at this. I mean, look, some of these might not make money at the minute. Look at this. I'll show you. Not all of these 172 listings make money. This one hasn't made any money. Halloween clowns, for example. These Halloween clowns haven't made any money. These autumn gazebos have made no money. These pumpkin pie Thanksgiving have made no money. Now, sometimes it might not make sense what makes money, what doesn't. This is why you need to keep creating. But yet they're all around the similar theme. Look, they're autumn. Some of these do make money. Some of them make a lot of money. Obviously, you need to do your SEO and check and make sure that hopefully that what you're trying to produce, also there's a demand for it. But guys, the basic principle is that you've got to make layers in your store of an entire store. Lifetime access, I'm telling you, is a massive one, which people kind of overlook. Lifetime access, possibly, mega bundles, smaller bundles, like smaller collections, and then if you want single listings. This is the way to do it. And look at this. The other tip I'll tell you, look, there's 172 listings, and like I said, it's a new store. So I've intentionally showed you a new store because it shows that they don't have a massive amount of history in terms of people coming back. This is literally 3 months, and they're making maybe around about 10K, right? Something like that. 172 listings. 172 are on sale, right? All of them are on sale. This, if you're not doing sales, guys, you're also missing a massive trick, right? Now this thing I can go on for this. Let me just show you something else. Just Tumblr. Look, Tumblr wrap, just as another example, because look, what I'm showing you now applies to any digital product. Like it's a thing that works for any digital product, right? Tumblr wrap bundles, right? Massive, huge. Like if again, people that aren't doing it, look, bestseller. Look at this one, bestseller. They're selling Tumblr wraps, or 200 Tumblr wraps. Look at this one, 40 tool Tumblr wraps. Okay, another one. And when we go, let's look at our product analytics again. The smart sellers are going to be doing lots of different bundle types. Let me go to monthly revenue. Let's look at something here. Look at this. Okay, Halloween Tumblr, really cool one. It's only 2 months old. Guys, it's only 2 months old. This is massive. It's making 5,700 $13. Let me just see. And it's only, I mean, it's 170. It's very lucrative, guys. Very lucrative. Let me see if they are actually going up for these bundles as well. Wow. So let me go to the image. Look at this. 5,000. Look, it's in demand. They're touching on Halloween. I'll tell you, these are the things, the tips I'm going to give you with this one. Why it's working so well. Why it's selling so well. I'll tell you why. Because firstly, Halloween. Because Halloween is obviously the run-up. Secondly, 170 plus styles, which are really actually quite nice. Thirdly, you've got 20-ounce straight skinny tumbler. 20-ounce straight skinny tumbler is probably one of the most popular types of tumblers in terms of selling, the demand for this. Now, I want to go in a little bit and look at the store. Now, this store is massive. Okay, this store is massive. They sell loads and loads of things. Now, let me just go down. Sorry. Look at this. They have tumbler wrap bundles. There you go. There we go. We go with our bundles. There you go. Bundles. Look at these bundles. Vintage Xmas bundles. Vintage fall tumblers. Look, they're touching on fall tumbler designs. Really good. Christmas gnome designs. 85 pumpkin tumbler designs. Right? 45 beach tumbler designs. Dragonfly. Halloween. Unicorn. Right? People like unicorns. Jungle animal tumbler. 50 skull wrap tumbler. 120 plus florals. They're just going all out for these bundles. Look at this. They're all bundles. They're all bundles, guys. This is what I'm trying to say. And I'm sure all of these are making money as well. Look at that. Look at these. Right? Let me see this one. This is a different one from the one that we saw. Yep. Right? Different one. Again, this one's in demand. Let's see how much this one's making. This bundle is making 3,000. It's only been out for a listing age of 2 months. Look, I'm not saying you're guaranteed, but what you are is you've got a better chance when you bundle up and you put them into themes. So, for example, these are fall tumbler designs, you know, that autumn feel, you know. You might want to do Christmas ones. You saw the Christmas gnome ones. These are fantastic as well. Dragonfly, you know, certain things that people look for. It might be Highland cows, even though I'm not a fan of Highland cows, but yeah, people search for them. You got these Santa hat dogs, ghost tumbler designs. Ghost, people like just specifically ghost types of design. Look at these. Look at these. And the thing with this is because it's so cheap, right? You might like one design and yet you'll buy the whole bundle and think, you know what, let me just get the whole bundle because I might use another one another time. And this is what I'm saying to you guys. If you're not bundling up, you're missing a trick. Now, some people might say to me, well, how many is a good number? Look, you saw with the other store, you know, they had a few, like 60, was it? Even 50, even less than that. Less than that. What was it, 20 or 30? It was a bundle of that amount, right? So you don't have to go into the hundreds. Don't worry. But what you do need to do is you need to start. Bundle up maybe 20 of a similar theme, maybe 40. Obviously, I would say the more the better because everyone likes a really good deal. But if you're just starting out, obviously, you just bundle up in a smaller amount. But what you definitely need to do if you want to make some more money on your listings, guys, you 100% have to bundle up. And remember what we saw the last store as well in terms of small bundle, mega bundle, and then if you can at some point make a whole store bundle as well, guys. And that's the moral of today's lesson. Bundle up, guys. I can't say it enough times, so I dedicated a video on it just for you. So, guys, as usual, if you like digital products, you like creating, selling, and all of that mad stuff, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and please share, guys, because I really like it when you do that. But guys, check out my videos next. Check out my links in my description. Check out everything else that I got on my channel. And I shall see you in the next one. Take care.